at present. Let us see what. Now, so nothing to write. Only you have to take a home study and get ready with that. You can close. After the first page in the screen only, we'll start. Okay. Now, let me wait for some time for everybody to join. And only by speaking, you will improve your language. Okay. Every day, correct grammar, correct pronunciation. And don't worry, children, whenever Sri Mukilan, you just adjust your camera so that I can see you writing. Now, no need to write now. Ah, yes, good. Little more up. And you have to sit properly, no sitting on the cot and lying and playing and kicking the pillow and all that. Okay, good children. Good morning to all. Let's see what we are going to do now. And I hope all know that tomorrow is the last day and the date to submit your assignment, all the 3. Then we'll start checking. Any mistake is there, we'll return it. Okay, any mistake. And see that before you could send it, please see that all the answers are there, all the Roman numbers are there. Because when I was checking, I found out certain Roman numbers were missing, so I had to send it back. So you just check, okay? Good. Now let's see what we are going to do. And it's an interesting class today. And I don't want any... Where's Alan?
Ma'am, Harish ma'am. I'm Harish ma'am. I sent the assignment, ma'am.
Don't say, I know that. If you say, everybody will say, I know. Those who sent, no problem. I only Saturday. Yes, Alan?
Ma'am, did you get the 3 assignments?
Yeah, I'm correcting one by one, Alan. Because, okay, one by one. First, I will start with English, whatever you sent. Like, only Friday evening, night, I will start again. Okay, I have to complete certain things. Because whenever I'm going into the class, student work, nothing is there. So I'll just wait for everyone to submit and do it neatly. Okay. Okay, let's see what we are going to do. Don't say that you sent. I have to check. Okay, children. Okay, now let's see what we are going to do. Now, good morning to everybody. And you have to look at the picture in between. No one should answer. Even ma'am, I don't know the answers of this. I'll have to look into the picture and find out the answers. All have to observe this. I'm going to start with Abhisha today because 1 to 10 first, like that, I'll start. Okay. Today's date is 4-2. You don't worry about anything now. Don't start anything now. 4-2. Now listen, all of you must look at this picture and you have to see what are the words given down. That means these words are related to this picture and you have to use only these words in this fill in the blanks. Okay. And this is not in your book. So all must look at the screen. Page 95 is not in your book. Now look at this picture. I'm not going to tell any answer. Choose the words from the box and describe the people. And the words given, hot, young, asleep, small, old, big, awake, cold. Now all must read in your mind all these sentences and you just see which word will be the right one. Okay, children. Now the first one is for Abhisha. Abhisha, good morning. Hello. Abhisha. Yes. Where are you? You are there. Abhisha, just read the first one, Abhisha.
Rohit is dash
Let's read the first one. Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. And another thing, you cannot read this and that. You have to read with correct pronunciation. Okay, start, Abhisha.
Rohit is
No, 1 minute. Rohit is. Come on. This is the first picture. Listen, I am just giving you a clue. See the first picture. Can you see? What can you see in the first one towards the left of you? On the cot, on the bed. Somebody is sleeping, somebody is sitting.
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay, we know only 2 boys are there. No, 3 boys. 2 boys on the cot, and one is sleeping, one is awake over there. Another boy is there on the laptop, he's doing something. An old man is sitting, and one auntie is coming, I don't know. We'll just see what is her name. Or the girl is coming. She's wearing an apron and all that, and she's coming. Leave it. Now, the first picture, we'll just name that boy Rohit. What is Rohit doing there?
And he is sleeping.
So, what is the word given there for sleeping?
Asleep.
Very good. Now, that's enough, Abhisha. Let me ask the next person. Okay, let it be. Let it be. Okay.
Thank
next
you,
person. Good, good. Akshaya. 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 Not there. Akshida MP. Children, these children are not getting any mark throughout. Akshida MP. Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Just read the first sentence. Already Abhisha told the answer. Please read. Rohit.
Okay. Rohit is asleep, but Raj is awake.
Very good. See, children. And now, children, you all need a big clap, but ma'am is clapping. Okay, don't worry. Very good, Aratrika. The next child is Evelyn Zera. Evelyn, read the second sentence.
Yes, ma'am, I'm Evelyn.
1 minute. Evelyn, you can see only one girl over there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No. We are just, okay. Minnie is a dash cat. Okay. Cat. But Kuti is a dash kitten. I don't want anybody's help. How the first 2 children did, Abhisha and Aratrika did, same way I want all the children to do everything by themselves. Okay. Minnie is a dash cat.
A dash.
Don't, 1 minute.
Minnie is a
Excuse me.
pig.
Evelyn,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't read unless I ask you to read. Now, you can just read only the first one. Only one answer you have to say. Minnie is
Minnie is
a
big.
big. That's all. Big cat. Minnie is a, read that.
Minnie is a big
cat.
cat.
That's all. Now I'm going to ask the next child. Okay. Gatia, can you complete that sentence? Can you complete that sentence? But
Okay, ma'am.
read.
But Kuti is a small kitten.
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Kitten is always small. Another thing I want to tell you. Now, Getsia, I don't know what's all these words. Okay. Can you tell me what are we learning? Asleep, awake, big, small. We use one heading for this, no, Getsia. What is it? Is it meaning or is it opposite?
Opposite.
Very good. We are just learning the opposites without telling the heading. By using all this in all these words. I mean, these sentences we are filling in with the opposites of the given word. Very good. Now, next one is for Israelina. Israelina. What happened? Okay. Jemima. Jemima. I'm just waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read C. Only the first sentence.
Grandpa is very old.
Very good. Wait. Only that. Grandpa is very old. Now, next child is Juan Sri. Juan Sri,
Ma'am,
please complete that C sentence. Grandpa is very
Ashok is
young.
young.
Young. See one, is was missing, so I just wrote is young. You don't write anything, okay? But Uncle Ashok is young. Very good. Now, Pratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the first one. D.
The
Only
juice is very cold.
That's enough. The juice is cold. Whatever, let me see. Cold. Whatever it's given, only must tell. Okay. You can't write anything extra. Adonia. Very good. Very good. Adonia. Read the rest. But the Adonia is missing the class. I don't know. I must find out. Okay. Akshara. Harriya. Please read the juice. Akshara, I know Akshara, I heard. Now read that sentence. Read that sentence. Open. The juice is cold. Read.
The juice is cold,
But
the coffee hot.
Mom, who will read the rest of the? But the coffee.
Mom drinking.
Akshara, please read after me. But the coffee. Mom is drinking is.
Mom is drinking
Tell me.
the hot.
Not the hot, only hot. See here? See the coffee mommy is having in her hand, and you can see it looks like that coffee is hot. Don't say the hot is hot. Very good.
Hot
Now I
is
need
hot.
very good, very good. Now next
Thank
one
you.
is Effie. Read
Yes.
all the words and the opposites, not the sentence. Asleep, awake, like that, all the words you read.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please read.
Asleep.
Yeah.
Awake. Big. Small. Old. Young. Cold. Hot.
Now, children, when I give next assignment, I won't be giving right the opposites of like that. No. I will give sentences and you'll have to insert the sentences words like this. You have to write which one is proper and we'll show the picture. Everything like this. Okay, we want you to write. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one. Similar meanings. You don't write anything. Just look at the screen. Similar meanings means same. You can tell large means you can tell it's big, huge, all that. Read these sentences. Next person is Fatima. Fatima, it will be heard in Fatima's house, I think. Fatima's not there. Joshika. What happened now? Joshika. All are missing. Kanira will be there. Kanira. Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to all these children? I was calling out for everyone.
Ma'am, I'm Kalina.
Kailina, 1 minute, Kailina. Then I had a doubt whether the link went to everyone. Very bad. Okay, let us see. 1 minute. Kailina, just look. Don't go. Just look. Kailina, sorry, 1 minute. Read the first sentence. The elephant. The elephant. Come on.
Good morning, ma'am. The elephant has
Large.
large
Ears.
ears.
What is the meaning?
The elephant has
See that? 1 minute. Very bad. Very bad. Excuse me. Only Kailina's answering that.
I'm Kanira, ma'am.
Kanira, 1 minute. Turn off your mic. Next question. Kanira, when somebody is answering, you come next. Okay, I will call you. Let us finish. Okay. Now, Kailina, please read fast the first two sentences. The elephant. Children, if you don't read fast, I will go to the next person. The elephant.
The elephant has
Kailina, please keep quiet 1 minute. The elephant. The elephant says, don't read like that. The elephant has large ears. The elephant has big ears. Large and big meaning is the same. The elephant has, don't read. Yes. Please read. Kailina, hurry up, Kailina. The elephant has. Kailina's parents see that she reads fast.
the elephant
Has. Oh, this girl. Please stop, Kailina. Kailina, 1 minute. What is wrong with you, Kailina? You can see the screen and you read properly. Other children are disturbed now. Come on. Be a good girl and read that. I am reading. The elephant has large ears. Can you see the screen?
The elephant has large.
I don't know what is wrong with her. Can you see the screen? Okay, Kailina is getting 0. Okay. Kanira, you come, Kanira. Read, Kanira. 10 minutes for each child I cannot spend. Come on, Kanira, good girl. Read the first one. The elephant has.
The elephant has large ears.
Second one.
The elephant has big ears.
Yes. What did you find in that? Large and big, same meaning, similar, same. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see the next one. The words large and good, Kanira, and big have similar meanings. They can be used in place of each other. Match the words that have similar meanings. Okay, first one is done. 1 minute. Now, Mishti, read. Mishti, next one. Mishti, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first one. A. What is the first one? Read.
Right, mom.
What is
Right.
the meaning? What is the similar meaning for right?
Right.
Already shown them, Mishti. Please attend the class properly. Pay attention. Right and correct. Good
Correct,
girl.
ma'am.
Right, correct. Then next one, B.
Happy.
Okay. No, wait. Happy. What is the correct word? What is the same similar word for happy?
Happy.
1 minute. Okay, Mr. Mitra, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me what is the similar word for happy?
Happy, glad.
Glad, I'm glad. Now, children, for other children, you can write A, B, C, D, E, F in your home study. The questions. As ma'am is showing these lines matching that, you can write the answer straight. Don't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. Copy A to F and straight to each question write the correct answer. That means right means correct. Write only the questions. By the time children will tell the answers. Very good, Mitra. Now coming back to 2B, 11. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
C is noisy. Say that word. Noisy.
Noisy.
Now tell me the similar word. Noisy means what? What do you mean?
Ma'am.
What is it?
Loudly.
Is there any word loudly there on the screen, Rida?
Loud.
This is how you make mistake. Loud. Very good. Now next
Loud.
one, Riha. Riha.
Okay.
Riha.
Thank you, ma'am.
എനിക്ക് 155 നിങ്ങളെ പോലെ
Now listen. Now I see. Next one, speak. Very good. Riha's not the Riha. I don't know. I just don't know. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi. Now,
Santi,
speak.
ma'am.
Speak. You say that word.
Talk.
Sanvi, speak.
Speak.
Tell me. See how nicely Sanvi is telling. She's not overtaking me. She's not telling talk like that. She's listening to ma'am and she's telling speak. Now tell me the similar word. What is given? Speak.
Talk.
Yeah, very good. Only one she said before. Talk. Now Sanvi, tell me, how did I ask you to write in your home study? First one, write means straight to write. What will you write? Straight to write. What will you write? Correct. Straight to happy. What will you write, Sanvi? Glad.
Glad.
Straight to noisy. What will you write? Loud.
Loud.
Very good. Straight to speak. Talk. Understood? Speak, talk. Good, Sanvi. Sona. Yes, Sona. Louder. Next word. Next word. I cannot hear you, Sona.
Ma'am.
Next word.
Simple.
Now listen. I'm asking Sonal, learn to answer like how others are answering. I asked you to read the next word.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
Easily.
You see this one. Sona, look at the screen. Is it easily or easy?
Easy.
When you write easily, ma'am won't give mark. Okay, Sona. That's what all bright children will make mistake. They will see only the first 3 letters and they'll tell. Okay, easy. Tell me the right word from the next column.
Simple.
Easy. What is it?
Simple.
Simple. Very good, Sona. Okay, Sona, don't be in a hurry. Now, Tangareknam. Tangarekna, I want you to repair your mic. I cannot hear. Tangareknam, tell me the last word.
Hey.
Big.
You.
Big. Now tell me the correct word similar to that. From the other column. What do you mean by big?
Long.
Not see. Parents of Tangereknam, please do something to her mic because I cannot hear anything when she says, but she's telling the answers only like very soft. Okay. Now, very good, children. Now, Virti is
Yes,
going.
ma'am.
Virti is ready to read all the questions with the answers. Come on, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Right, courage. Happy,
Glad.
glad. Noise,
No, no.
noise,
Noisy.
noisy, loud.
Yeah.
Speak,
Talk.
Easy,
Easy. Simple.
simple. Big, large.
Now, I want you, very good, Virti. I want everybody to write the questions and straight to the questions, all the answers. Because I will ask you this for any oral test. Now, let me see. Alvin, please read. By the time others complete your work in your home study. Yes? Alvin? No. Alvin. Ansh? Ansh John? He was behaving nicely. I'm very happy that Ansh is behaving properly today. I is going to read all the questions and the answers. Ansh? Say yes, ma'am, Ansh. Oh, Ansh is not in class, that's what. But he joined, I saw. Okay. Children, those who are not in class and when they join first, I will call the parents in the afternoon when I go to school. Okay. Everybody, those who are not answering now in class, I'll be calling all the parents from school. I want to know the reason. Nothing to scare you and all that. I want to know why the children are not attending. I just want to know. Now, Dhruv, can you read all the questions, Dhruv, for me? And the answers. Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv. Dhruv and all is attending every day and getting full mark. Yes, Dhruv. Dhruv, start.
Right, correct.
Correct. Correct.
Happy,
Yeah.
glad.
Very good. Noise.
Noisy, loud.
Yeah.
Speak, talk.
Yeah.
Easy, simple.
Yeah.
Big, large.
Very good. Harish, I want Harish to read this now. Harish, read soon. Harish. Yes,
Yes,
Harish.
Yes,
Please read.
ma'am.
Start. Right.
Right, happy.
Yes. Right. Happier. Correct. Right. Correct.
Right, correct.
Happy. Glad.
Happy, glad.
Noisy. Loud.
Noisy, loud.
Speak. Talk.
Tick tock.
Easy. Simple.
Easy, simple. Big,
Large.
large.
Now, I please write children. By the time I want to tell you something, uh, grade 1B last year, 1A or 1A, I think, 1A, sorry, Jasmine ma'am's class. Some children, 4 of you, have to come and get the photograph from school. Those who did not get the class photograph, please come to school between 1:30 and 4:30 and you can get the class photograph of last year Jasmine ma'am's class. Okay, children? I think, and anyone else, those who paid and did not get, you can just contact the office, school office and find out about it. Okay, now don't be telling I paid ma'am. Those who did not get, 4 or 5 children. Okay, please see. You can just approach the office people. You can just ask them by the phone, by calling them in the office, and you can come in between 1:30 and 4:30. Okay, good children. Children, I'm telling you seriously, if you don't attend the class, you won't be getting internal marks. Now, I saw Ansh coming and I don't know what happened. Anyway, I'll just find out. Very good, children. Have a nice day. Bye. Learn all the meanings and the opposites, what all similar meanings and opposites. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Take care of your health, children. Take care of your health. Be good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Complete all